Hey everyone, welcome back to Bikers Junction. I hope you guys are all doing great. So in today's video we are unboxing a new addition to my KTM Duke 390. That's a pair of knuckle guards I ordered from AliExpress. They just cost me about $40. So let's dive in and see if they're worth it. So here's the package, neat and compact. I've got high hopes since these guards are labeled as universal from KTM motorcycles. Let's tear it open and check what we've got. Alright, so inside we have the handle guard themselves. They're nicely wrapped for protection. So these guards look solid at first glance, and I can already tell that this orange finish will blend well with my Duke's aggressive styling. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. So here we've got a pack of mounting brackets and screws. So you won't need any extra parts to fit this on. They're pretty lightweight, but feel sturdy enough to withstand wind and minor bumps. So that was the unboxing part of the knuckle guards. So in my next video I'll be showing how to fix this to your motorcycle. So stay tuned and let me know what you think about this in the comments. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Show some love and support. I'll try and make more and more videos. So that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe, take care, and have a good one.